Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, my background has changed a little bit. I have officially moved to Los Angeles. Specifically wore this shirt just so I could do that. Anyways, yeah, I'm officially out here, living my life, working for the weekend, I guess you could say, because here I am. I might be changing my upload date, just so you guys know, since I do work during the week, so I probably am gonna do filming on the weekends now. So be prepared for some changes a little bit. We're gonna see how this works out. I don't know, we'll find out. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. I mean, that's all my life update right there. Just thought I'd explain why my background's different. This video is basically me using a bunch of new products, new to me. Came up with this nice green, not really smoky eye, it's just pretty nice foresty green look, I guess. But yeah, so if you want to know how I felt about all the products that I used, just keep watching and I'll let you know. Okay, so getting started, we're going to be using this new to me, NYX Shine Killer. And this is, I guess, a primer. It's gonna help kill off all the shine. So this spreads really easily all over the face. The only thing I have to say though is that it feels really greasy, which is weird considering it's supposed to get rid of shine. So I'm wondering if once you put foundation on, it kind of gets rid of all that. So I'm going to be taking this Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal. Just picked this up at CVS. Just following the brow shape. Nice definition, but still looking au natural, you know what I mean. What I like about this though is that if you run out, you can always just click up it a little bit. I always love these kind of pencils. Yeah, I can still feel this primer on my face. I don't really know if I like that, so hopefully it does its job and it's just something you gotta deal with. I don't know. My eyebrows are done, primer's still soaking in, hopefully. I'm gonna start off with the eyes. So I'm just gonna take the Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. It's just this little kind of, I guess, sample size packaging. Putting that all over the lid. Now, not everything is gonna be new stuff. I'm still gonna stick with the some old things just because I'm a creature of habit. So I'm just gonna go into a Kylie Cosmetics palette to apply that base layer on my eyes. So instead of the other eyeshadow I was going to be doing, I'm going to be switching over and doing a kind of green look with this tiny little palette from Maybelline. It's got everything you can ever want. It's got for the crease, the outer V, the lid, all the fun stuff, even liner. So it's like a good all-in-one thing. So everything just fell out. So be going into the base first, which is that lighter, kind of like slightly green and white color, I guess. It says it's the base. So we're gonna treat it as such and just place it over the base we just put. Let's see how that goes. Next, I'm going to be taking a brush like this, and I'm going into the darker green. It's like a more foresty green. Taking that into crease. It said it's supposed to be good for green eyes. So they advertised it as, so I'll be testing that. See if they pop afterwards. Doing these swirling motions kind of in the outer V. I feel like it helps to blend it some more. I'm gonna just take a fluffier brush now and just kind of blend that out a little bit. Let's try to soften those edges. Next, we're gonna go on onto the lid, which is this color right here. Like an olive tone, kind of. So pack that on the lid, kind of all over, but focusing on that empty part left open from the other colors. Something else that I'm like really excited for since moving here is the fact that the beach is like a half hour from me. I miss going to the beach so much because, you know, I used to live in Florida for school, so the beach wasn't too far away from me, but it's still a drive. I mean, it wasn't super close. I miss being by the ocean. It's like a goal in my life. It's to one day own a house. It's beachfront. It's like some place I always wanted to end up was out here, and now officially out here doing it. Out here living. So take that and run with it. You just gotta put it out into the universe, and you never know. Okay, I think that primer finally settled. It doesn't really look like it killed much shine, which is kind of annoying. Like, I don't know. You guys be the judge. I think my skin kind of looks the same. So I got this new beauty blender from Sephora, and it's kind of like a triangle shape. I'm gonna be using that to do this new foundation I got. I keep hearing about it from other YouTubers that I watch, and they love it, so I thought I would try it because why not? And I needed a new foundation. Somebody's using the Tarte one for you guys. Take on that flat part. Just gonna blend it all out. See how this blender does. It's definitely a lot harder than my other beauty blender, even though, like, usually when you get these wet, it kind of softens them a little bit. But like this one does not feel softer at all. Like, it just feels like I'm hitting my face with a non-damp beauty blender. Some foundation does look nice. It's very, I would say it's kind of like medium coverage. Though I think you can probably like build up on it. That's what it's looking like, but it's got a very nice natural glow to it, which I always appreciate. So now we're gonna go on. I'm not gonna use a new concealer. I'm just gonna take my original one. Not everything's new. Blend in with this brush. I always find that doing this helps more when it comes to covering up blemishes on the face rather than using a beauty blender. I don't know, but then I do like to go over it with a beauty blender just to kind of blend it in with the foundation. Doesn't seem to take the product off, so that's a good sign. I don't know if I like the feel of it though. It doesn't have a lot of give to it. I like the squishiness of a beauty blender. Yeah, I'm not really liking this beauty blender under my eyes. It's not, I feel like it's just not really, like it took me way too long to blend in with concealer, so don't think I'll be using this again. I'm just gonna apply some powder. Nothing more sad when one of your favorite products starts to run low. That's for sure. But you know, a benefit to moving out here now is that you don't really have to hear me complain anymore about it being too cold. Because it's actually gonna be warm here. They were telling me at my job of how it can get up to in the hundreds. So we're gonna see how I deal with that. You like even in Florida when it got hot, it was that muggy hot. So it was like really gross and you're just like, oh, I just want to get this off of me. Like you can just feel the moisture all over me. It was gross. Did not enjoy it. So we're gonna go back into that little palette. And I'm gonna go into the liner color, which is pretty dark. So if you want kind of like a lighter under eye, I would suggest probably using the, yeah, maybe combine the lid and the crease together. Oh, I hate when a random bug just like gets all up in your space. I'm trying to catch this gnat that found its way into my room because I opened the window up a little bit this morning. Just because it was really nice out and I woke up at 8 for no reason. It's the weekend. I should be sleeping in. It is kind of nice waking up early though, I will say. Even though I'm not used to it. I feel like I can get a bunch of stuff done. So I'm just gonna be going with the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. Next, I'm gonna be going in with NYX Butter Gloss. I'm using the shade Creme Brulee. Pretty. Okay. Now that lips are done, I'm just gonna finish off with some spray. So yeah. Here you go. Finished look. Nice and easy, nice quick little thing, especially with this palette. That's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll keep you guys posted how these products wear, how I liked them. Maybe I'll use them in my next video. We'll see how they all fit in with my routine. So let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video, how your day was, is, has been, how your week's been, how your life's going. Anything you want to tell me, let me know. Hit the like button, hit the little bell, let you know when I post videos, subscribe, all that jazz. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.